Hi everyone, Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. I'm standing on a 2026 Barletta Corsa 23 QSS. So we got the rear facing layout back here. Nice loungy area. Come back, relax. You got your armrest here. And coming to the front, the best part, co-captain and captain seat. You can have a conversation. And as always, with the Corsa model, you have these very nice sporty lines. It's a very good fit and finish that Barletta does. Wireless charger right at the helm. Great spot to put your phone. Keep it charged so you can play your music all day long. Of course, they have this very large ski locker. Put all your water toys, life jackets in here. Or you have your pop-up table, put your snacks in here. And you also have a nice wireless charger, another charging output. You have RGB cup holders. Coming to the front, again, awesome spot to relax. This is a very pretty nautical blue with a blue and white exterior as well. Come see this at MarineMax in Nisswa today.